What's up, folks? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. As y'all can hear, if y'all can hear, it's raining out here. Okay. I hope I don't get disconnected, y'all. I've been having trouble with my live streaming. I don't know what's the matter with it, but hopefully I'll fix it. All right, so I don't know if y'all can see the rain and stuff like that. Disregard that sound right there. Okay. Yep. Uh-huh. Well, whew. So let's go back inside. Back inside we go. All right. Watching television. Y'all wondering what this is? A second line on TV. This was from yesterday. Yep. This was from yesterday. Uh-huh. I was out there. If y'all seen the live stream, 7:42. Yep. That's what time it is. Mm-hmm. All right. All right, y'all. So I'm here chilling. Told y'all about Dominique so many times though. Okay. Yeah, so watching TV, stuff like that. I couldn't believe I saw Dominique yesterday, okay? To be honest with y'all, I knew that Jan and Dominique knew each other. I knew that all along, but I didn't know they was good friends, which I'm truly happy about. Uh-huh. Which I'm truly happy about. So as I was telling y'all on other video and stuff like that, that I was talking about though, when Yana kept me on lockdown, she said I was on LD. I didn't know what LD was, so I assumed that was lockdown because that was the first time I ever met her, holding me hostage. Well, I wouldn't say LD, I say hostage. I don't know if I'm gonna be shown right here. Oh, who? Oh, who was that? That cutie pie, whatever. Hmm. Uh huh. So y'all watching this face. I mean, say this on YouTube on my TV. Okay, Dominique, if you watching this, okay. So in the beginning she started it, but other times I started it. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna be. Let's see if I'm gonna be showing on this video. But this is not my show right here. I wasn't that close to the second line though. Hmm. I wasn't that close to the second line at all, but yeah, I was close. Well, close enough. Or she enjoying herself at that second line. You know. I wonder if I'm gonna be shown. I don't think I'm gonna be shown on this. I was right here on this street right here. You see. But I don't know if y'all gonna show me or not. I may. Or I'm not gonna be shown. Let me see if I'm gonna be shown. I'm gonna pause it right there. Oh, let me see. Oh, they might show me. You know. They might show me. Let me see what they're gonna show me. Let me see if they right there in that crowd somewhere. I don't know where I'm at though, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be shown. Uh, where am I? Oh, I'm so nervous. I think I'm gonna see myself on this show. Where am I? Oh, she rolling on the ground. I think I missed that. I think I missed that. I don't think I was shown on this one. Okay. Well, I don't think I was shown on this episode because I was out there though. I must have got on the bus when they showed up. Uh-huh. So anyway, I was extremely glad to see Dominique Stokes. You know, she told me she got married. Yes, she did. I guess she's single. Find time for her to be single, which I'm kind of single. As far as that. Okay. Oh well, life goes on. That I guess that's how the cookies crumble. Oh well, that's how the cookies crumble. You know. All right. And then Tanika Ware. I still miss that girl though. Hope I don't get disconnected. Tanika, she was sweet, bittersweet, and stuff like that. She was crazy. She was sweet, adorable, everything. You know. All right, y'all. So that's all I gotta say. All right. Bye bye, y'all.